Welcome to our comparison of two popular power supply units, the Thermaltake Smart 700W and the CORSAIR RM750x. In this video, we will explore their specifications, efficiency ratings, modular designs, and warranty offerings. Whether you're building a budget gaming PC or a high-performance workstation, understanding these differences will help you make an informed decision. When it comes to price, the Thermaltake Smart 700W is a budget-friendly option at just $67 United States dollars, making it an attractive choice for those looking to save money. In contrast, the CORSAIR RM750x is priced at $139 United States dollars, reflecting its higher-end features and performance. While the Thermaltake may be suitable for basic systems, the CORSAIR offers more value for users seeking reliability and efficiency. In terms of efficiency, the Thermaltake Smart 700W holds an 80+ white certification, which is decent but not the best. On the other hand, the CORSAIR RM750x boasts an 80+ gold certification, indicating superior energy efficiency and lower power consumption. This difference can lead to significant savings on electricity bills over time, especially for high-performance systems. Another key difference lies in the modularity of these power supplies. The Thermaltake Smart 700W features a non-modular design, which can complicate cable management and lead to a cluttered build. In contrast, the CORSAIR RM750x is fully modular, allowing users to connect only the cables they need. This not only simplifies installation, but also improves airflow and aesthetics within the case. In conclusion, the choice between the Thermaltake Smart 700W and the CORSAIR RM750x ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. The Thermaltake is a solid choice for those on a tight budget, while the CORSAIR offers superior performance and features for users willing to invest more. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.